Bonjour à tous. Good morning or good day, everyone. Today, let us see sixth exercise in page number 34. Sixth exercise, they have given an example and they have asked you to work out the remaining 5 exercise same like the example. So, let me explain the example first. Okay, so this is what the sentence given there. You can refer your book PDF. Okay. For all the 5 sentences, they have taken ether verb conjugation of amparfai and then a conditional present. Say for example, first you can write the ether verb amparfai conjugation and then you can frame conditional present and you can join the sentence with the two. The sentence is this: je riche slash construire une école. So what they have done here is j'étais riche. Si j'étais riche, je construirais une école. So the actual meaning for the sentence is: if I was rich, I would construct a school. If I was rich, I will construct a school. I would construct a school. That is what the exact meaning is. So you have to bring in the amparfai conjugation for ether verb. So let us have a quick recap of what is amparfai. We have learnt this in lesson 2. What is amparfai? It is amparfai is a tense which is used to express an habitual activity happened in the past or to describe an activity happened in the past. Simply to say, in English, wherever we use was or were, there all we use this amparfai. So, in amparfai, ether is irregular. Ether is an irregular verb. The conjugation for ether verb is different. You have to memorize the conjugation as such. As such given, you have to memorize the ether conjugation. So, I have written the ether conjugation here. And then construire. Construire is an RE verb. For that, you have to remove E at the last and add this endings of future. And from this, you are bringing the je conjugation here. Remove AI, add AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, AIENT, AIENT. Clear? And the meaning of see here is if. Another meaning is whether. So you have to take accordingly. Clear? Okay. If I was rich, I would construct a school. So for that was, you are using amparfai here. I would construct a school. For that you are using conditional present. Clear? Okay. Now I repeat, you have to write the amparfai conjugation and then construire verb you have constructed here. So si j'étais riche, je construirais une école. This is what the meaning is. So if you are bringing here the amparfai, you have to write the conditional present of this verb. Clear? Okay, now let us move on to the second one. Il, in the bracket they have given professeur de français and then amener les élèves en France. Now, same like that, I have written the amparfai conjugation of ether verb and then amener conjugation I have written. Amener conjugation I have written, and in that amenere add future endings. Future endings AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT, ONT. and from that you bring this je conjugation. Remove this ai, remove this ai, and add ais, ait, ait, ions, iez, aient. So now you are writing sil. If I was a professor, if I was a French professor, I would uh, groom up or teach the French students, the students in France, the students in France. So why we are writing s apostrophe here is because of this bubble, is because of this bubble. And we bought here ete. Why we have bought ete here? Why we have bought ete here is because of il. Since il is present in the sentence, we bought ete conjugation, and then again il emenere, we bought this conjugation down. Clear? If I was a professor, French professor of France, if I was a French professor, I would have taught or groomed up I would groom up the students in France. This is what the meaning here. Then next one, Premier Minister. Again, you have to write the imperfect conjugation here. Clear? And then travailler, conditional present. It is a simple er verb, so add the endings of future, and from that you bring je, remove ai, and add amplify endings, and add amplify endings. Okay, so now see to ete. If you are the prime minister, you would work for the country. If you was the prime minister, you would work for the country. Clear? So you have to bring to conjugation here. The reason is in the sentence to is given, so you are bringing in the to conjugation. What is the to conjugation here? To ete. Clear? So that's why to ete premium see to ete. If the meaning of see is, as I told you, there are two meanings for see. One is if, other one is whether. See to ete premier minister through to travailler pour le pays. If you was the prime minister, you would work for the country. Clear? If you were the prime minister, you would work for the country. Then next one, again you have to write the amplify ether conjugation, and for the leer verb you are going to write the conditional present. Leer is an IR verb. Sorry, leer is a RE verb. Usually for RE verb, we will remove the E at the last and add AI, AS, A, AONS, all those future endings. From that you are bringing this J, and you remove AI, add all those amparfy endings. Clear? Okay. Now, see elle était en France. If she was in vacation, if she was in holidays, she would read all the days. She would read all the days. Lear means read. Okay, so CL, listen carefully, it is CL here, whereas the first one CL here. For L, this vowel concept is not applicable, whereas for il, vowel concept is applicable. That's why you are removing this I for il. Clear? Clear? I'll show you. Here you see CL. Clear? Now you see the same for the first one. It is CL. Both are starting with vowel, but even then, this vowel concept, that is S, you have to put S apostrophe for il, whereas for L, this vowel concept is not applicable. Clear? Si elle était en vacances, elle lirait tous les journées. If she was in holidays, she would read all the days. That is what the meaning here. And the next one, D, is again you have to write the imperfect conjugation for être verb, and then voyager conditional present. So you have to write uh, as usual the verb and add the future endings, and from that you bring out this je conjugation and remove this ai and add the imperfect endings. Clear? Okay, then si vous étiez astronaut, if you were the astronaut, if you was an astronaut, you would voyage, you would travel in the space, so you are taking vous étiez, vous voyageriez conjugation. Clear? Okay, now let us see the last one. Il magicien faire apparaître le lapin. Être verb conjugation as usual you have to write. Take ILS conjugation. What is the ILS conjugation? Ils étaient. That is the ILS conjugation. Now faire, the radical for faire is faire. All these are irregular verbs. You have to by heart the radical. So faire for faire radical is faire, and after writing faire you are adding the future endings, and in that future ending you are bringing this je conjugation, remove ai and add imperfect ending. Clear? In this, then ILS conjugation, again here also you take the ILS conjugation. So listen, here also you can apply the apostrophe concept, I mean vowel concept. S'il était magicien, if they were magicians, they would do they would bring a rabbit from the apparat. I mean they would make the rabbit from the rabbit to come from the apparat. That is what the meaning here. Clear? Hope it is clear for you. The one which cannot happen if you are the prime minister, if you were the prime minister, so anyways we are not going to be the prime minister. Clear? If you are what is the first one? The example, okay. If I was rich, I would construct a school. If I was rich, so I'm not no more rich, but if I am rich I would do this. Okay, so the one which is not very certain, okay, that is not going to happen, that is what we are bringing here. So in order to make that, we first write the imperfect conjugation and then conditional present. Hope it is clear for you all. Merci, bonjour, have a nice day.